A good man deals graciously and lends, he will guide his affairs with discretion. No one, when he has lit a lamp, covers it with a vessel or puts it under a bed, but sets it on a lampstand, that those who enter may see the light. Lying lips are an abomination to the Lord, but those who deal truthfully are his delight. Let your eyes look straight ahead, and your eyelids look right before you. Then you will understand righteousness and justice, equity, and every good path. For there is nothing covered that will not be revealed, nor hidden that will not be known. But Peter said, Ananias, why has Satan filled your heart to lie to the Holy Spirit and keep back part of the price of the land for yourself? While it remained, was it not your own? And after it was sold, was it not in your own control? Why have you conceived this thing in your heart? You have not lied to men but to God.